Does your desert rose look beautiful but simply refuse to bloom? You were promised a plant full of color, and now all you have are green leaves reaching toward the sky. Don't worry. Today you will discover exactly what is missing in its care and how to change that very quickly. The best thing about this method is that it is based on what the plant needs in nature. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive, and no need to be an expert. These are simple adjustments that activate its internal energy to produce abundant flowers in 30 days or less. Stay until the end because step number 6 is the master trick that makes the real difference. Step 1. Sunlight. Let's start with the basics: direct and abundant sunlight. The desert rose comes from arid regions of Africa and Arabia where the sun is intense. If you keep it in the shade, the plant will only use its energy to survive and produce leaves. It needs at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight, ideally in the morning. Remember, the more sunlight it receives, the more reserves it stores in its trunk, and those reserves become flower buds. Step 2. Strategic watering. The second step is strategic watering with controlled stress. Many people make the mistake of overwatering out of love, but that suffocates the roots. The secret is to let the substrate dry completely before watering again. That small stress sends a survival message to the plant. It's time to reproduce, and it responds by creating flowers. Step 3. Ideal soil mix. For this to work, you need an ideal substrate. The perfect mix is 50% cactus soil, 30% coarse sand, and 20% perlite or pumice stone. Healthy roots are the key to strong flowers. Step 4. Smart pruning. Don't be afraid of smart pruning. By cutting old or weak branches, you encourage new growth. And remember, every new shoot is an opportunity for a new flower. Always make cuts above a node during warm seasons, and you'll see the plant branch out and come to life. Step 5. The right pot. A little-known trick is the size of the pot. If the pot is too large, the plant focuses on expanding roots and forgets to bloom. Choose a container that is only 1 or 2 centimeters wider than the trunk. That slight restriction accelerates blooming. Step 6. The big trick: fertilization. We have reached the key step: fertilization that awakens flower buds. To burst with color, the plant needs phosphorus. Look for NPK fertilizers with formulas such as 4-14-8 or 10-52-10. Apply it every 15 days when the substrate is moist. This is the real accelerator that you will see reflected in just 3 or 4 weeks. Step 7. Pest protection. Finally, maintain protection against pests. Mealybugs and mites steal the sap that should go to the flowers. Check your plant once a week and clean the leaves with potassium soap or neem oil. A clean plant absorbs light better and blooms much more vigorously. If you follow these 7 steps consistently, you will see new shoots and buds appearing before 30 days. Your desert rose will bloom like never before. If this video helped you, support me with a like so I can keep sharing these tips. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And before you leave, tell me in the comments, what color would you like your plant to bloom? Red or white? I will be reading and answering all your questions. See you in the next tip.